Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to the kingdom of Tonga. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys. So let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened the website of Ministry of Revenue and Customs, Government of Tonga. If you scroll down, okay, for under travelers, they have a section for immigration and general services. So they do issue 30 days visitor visa on arrival for nationals of the following countries. So check if you belong to one of these countries. If yes, then for short-term visit or like 30 days, you don't have to worry about. If you want to stay more, you need to apply for a visa. Okay. How I'm gonna show you. Okay. Now, in order to enter there, you must have a valid return ticket. Okay. And you should satisfy that you have proper finances to cover your stay. Okay. All right. Now, how to apply? So, you should check with the nearest consulate, or there was an email account given there in the previous page, if you remember. Like if you have a consulate, embassy, or something nearby reachable, you can definitely contact them. Otherwise, you can contact them on this email. They will tell you what to do in your case. So for example, there is a Tonga Consulate General in San Francisco. Okay. If you go to visa, so again, countries not requiring visa, so that we have already seen over there. Okay. But other cases, you need to apply for a visa, so that they have given. Okay. Passport must be valid for at least 6 months. Okay. Upon arrival. All right. Now let's open the checklist. One passport photo, duly completed application form. We'll go through that. Reason for visiting Tonga, application form, signed, sufficient funds, evidence, itinerary, evidence of visa previously granted. Okay. Proceed to scan copy of passport is preferred. Okay, fine. Foreign documents, okay, fine. Copies of their documents. Okay. All right. Now I'll show you where you can get the form. So on the same website, if you go to forms, you have visa. So surname, given name, date of birth, birthplace, country of birth, marital status. It's very simple form. Passport details, visiting details, contact details, some very things, and then declaration. Okay. And checklist is also given here, same thing. So as I said, if you are from if you have a consulate or embassy, you can contact them. Otherwise, there was an email address. There also you can contact, and they will tell you how to go about it. So that's how it is. That's how, guys, it's really simple. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.